Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to hide your domain registration info in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to domains. Here you will. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Here you will see a list of the available domains on your Hostinger account, and next to the domain name that you want to hide the contact info for, click on Manage. From this domain overview page and below contact information, you will see something called Privacy Protection or WPP, which adds an extra security layer for your domain information privacy. Click on this little circle, and as you see, Whois Privacy is on. And if you click on it again, you will see you can turn it off or on. As you see, turning off privacy protection means that your personal contact information may become public. It could be used for phishing attacks and spam. For this video, I will keep it private. And this is how to hide your domain contact information in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.